Hello and welcome back for another Fetch AI price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be giving you the target areas that Fetch AI needs to continue holding in the next coming hours, and also the price action to expect in the next coming days and also weeks. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening in the past few weeks. You can see that after getting our lows at around the 18th of October, we saw that massive push to the upside, breaking above areas of resistances at around the $0.26 mark and above the $0.3 mark. And at the time of this recording, we continue to hold above the $0.3 mark, which is now acting as support. And there are chances that in the next coming hours, maybe we might see a retest of that key area of support before Fetch AI can continue gearing up to the next key areas of resistances at around the $0.35 mark. And this move has also continued to obey the Elliot structures. And zooming out on the charts, you can see that after getting our lows on the 17th of August, we saw that massive push giving us a high above the $0.27 mark in a move that I'm terming as the formation of this wave 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum target area highlighted on the chart using this blue target area, before we saw that massive push to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And in my past videos, I have been giving you target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.383 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Fetch AI to do in case in the next coming hours we continue gearing up. So in case in the next coming hours you continue holding above the $0.3 mark, continue showing a lot of buying momentum here on the charts, then there are high chances that we can easily see Fetch AI hit above the $0.38 mark and give us a high in the formation of this wave 3 before we can expect a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. Alternatively, in case we don't see a retest of that key area of support and maybe we lose the $0.3 mark, maybe even get a retest of that key area of support, then I will be expecting further pullback to the area at around the $0.256 mark, where we can find support and then get another pushback to the upper side. And losing the $0.256 mark might be the worst case scenario, because then I will be getting more bearish and expect further weakness back into this blue target area right here, where we can then expect another bounce back, breaking above resistances and see the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term here on the Fetch AI chart. And zooming out on the charts to also give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis, you can see that back in 2022 we saw our lows at around the $0.0525 mark before we saw that massive push in a 5-wave move, having the wave 5 giving us a high above the $0.61 mark, giving us completing the formation of this first wave to the upper side. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized and also continued to hold within. And there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave. And in the next coming weeks, we can expect to see a reaction of these continue getting impulsive and more aggressive in the start of a push in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side, and giving you the minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, I get a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.0654 mark, and that is the minimum that you can expect Fetch AI to do in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term and also on the long term, and I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to see you in the next one.